Hello you lot. Yes. Where have I been? Well, busy. Working and working. Yeah. The reason for this video, I'm going to give the car a rinse down, but the other day, where I work at my primary job, you can probably see the bits on here. We were having a refresh done and things were being painted. My car was probably, let me think, I don't know, probably about where the Audi is parked over there, that far away from where paint was being done. But they were doing open air spraying, and obviously my car was covered in contaminants. Yeah, the headlight, bumper, bonnet, wings, side, rear quarter, all covered in little drops of white paint. I'll insert some of the stills. But rather than be a complete arse about it, I'm going to see how much I can clean off. I've got my clay bar somewhere, but I'm just going to wet the car down first. But I thought I'd really introduce myself back to my own channel. As I say, I started a second job a couple of months ago at a radio station doing a Friday slot, radio show basically, playing all the best music, stuff like that. And also I've only actually had, if I do the maths, I've had one Sunday off in 3 weeks. So I've been a busy boy. So yeah, I thought I'd come back to the channel and just show you what I was going to do. Let's have a quick look down the side. Obviously there's little scratches, and it's hard to see on pearlescent paint, but there's hundreds and hundreds of little dots of white paint. Few on the roof, as you may be able to see, but the car's dirty anyway, so hopefully the dust will give me a barrier between the paint. If not, I'll probably have to seek some help with getting it removed or go to the insurance company, but if it will clean off, it will clean off. So yeah, this video is going to be a cleaning video. Right, what I've done to start with is I've just rinsed the car. There's not much heat, it's quite humid, but the other day when I come out and looked at it, the car was baking, so I couldn't really do much. So yeah, before I get my jet wash system out, I'm literally gonna find my bottle of lube and go over it with a clay bar and yeah, see what I can do, but hopefully it'll be alright. There we go, found my block of 3M clay. Obviously I'm not going to use the lot, but yeah, I'm just going to try and wipe it over the car and see what contaminants I can pick up. But yeah, like I say, the main reason for this video is just to make sure that you know, all my brilliant subscribers, that I've not disappeared off the face of the planet yet. I do plan on moving to the moon. If you live there already, leave a comment below. But let's get started with my rubbing. Hose pipe. Yeah, I've given the car a clay. I didn't film it because it's not exactly exciting. And I've just given it a rinse off to get rid of the smearing that you get built up with clay. Yeah, it actually looks like it's going to piss down with rain. So if you're anywhere in the UK and it's raining, think, Paul's cleaning his car. I've not even got my jet wash out yet. No. But I have managed to get rid of quite a lot of little white dots that were on the car. So I think as the weather's on the turn, I probably won't even get my machine out and give it a go. I don't even know if there's any point toweling it down, to be honest. This was going to be like a feature-length video of me just washing the car, but yeah, I may just put some soap suds over it. That'll get everybody going. As I just said, I just literally went and got my bucket and my car shampoo, my Maguire stuff, and it's now started to rain. Yeah, brilliant. So my car is going to be washed by the powers that be it God or be it just Mother Nature. Annoying. Well, hopefully you can hear me. I think I'm going to have to conclude this video, which will be a very brief return to my channel, but I have got some things in the pipeline, mainly suspension stuff, so yeah, please come back, please. Anyway, yeah, this is terrible, isn't it? Typical day in May, who would have thought, eh? Anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm going to go and have a hot drink now, and as per usual, do the normal thing, leave a comment down below actually. Let me know how fed up you are with the weather. Yeah. Well, take care, and I shall see you in the next video. Cheers.
Wow.